Really? I'm so cool. So I just talked to a printing company, and
Hippopotamus printing company.
it's not called hippopotamus,
It's
but
called potamus.
okay. So I just talked to a printing company, and they said for 100 copies of flyers, it's going to be 75 cents for one. So, but I looked online, and there was this printing company that
Pro printing company, and not in the opposite of hippopotamus printing company.
well, so that printing company for 100 copies of flyers, they said $2 each per flyer. Wells, what do you think? I feel like you're not listening. So
I am listening.
So what do you think? Which one should we use? Which printing company should we use if you're
The
listening?
hippopotamus one.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
You don't know why we should use them?
Maybe he likes the name.
He said, "Yep." Wells, okay, I need you to listen. The printing company that I called, they said 75 cents per copy.
Hippopotamus printing company. Oh, so
They said 75 cents per copy. But when I looked online, it was $2 per copy. Which one should we use?
the one that's $2.
Why?
Because it's less expensive.
So $2 per copy is less expensive than 75 cents.
Oh. That's it. The 75 cents one. Hippopotamus. Or you could call it hippo if you don't want to say hippopotamus.
So the 75 cents one,
Mm-hmm.
that's the one we should use.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's less expensive.
Okay, but is there other things you think we should check? What, Mama?
I think we should actually go by printing quality because it is a very important thing. What if, like, the hippopotamus company accidentally makes our flyer into a hippopotamus?
Very funny.
Or
But you have a point.
yeah,
We should actually think about printing quality. Wells, what do you think about that?
same.
What? In your own words.
Printing quality.
What does that mean?
Why?
What does that mean? Because I want to make sure you understand, because sometimes you get distracted, Wells, and you just repeat what somebody else said.
What you didn't say anything.
You're just repeating what Zita said. So tell me in your own words why printing quality is important.
I don't know. What's his inviting mood?
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know why printing... What is printing quality?
I'll tell him.
Wait. Wells, use your brain. What do you think printing quality is?
Mommy, I don't know what
No,
it is.
don't say I don't know. I said, what do you think? It doesn't have to be correct. So I need you to tell me something. What do you think it is?
Printing quality.
What is it?
I don't know.
Again, do not say you don't know. I'm going to take out of your iPad time. Tell me what you think. Your best guess. What do you think printing quality is?
Regular printing.
Regular printing?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Can I tell now?
Okay.
So this is my best guess.
Okay, fine. Thank you for trying. Mama, what do you think printing quality is?
Printing quality is the quality of printing. For example, the printing quality is pretty low because it's
What? You're not
all the
looking at what she's...
colors are mashed up. This side is actually fine with the printing with the colors mashed up, but this side doesn't look that good, and also the printing quality is low because the paper is too thin and it doesn't separate these papers.
What does it say? What is printing quality?
The paper's too thin.
Oh my!
And so, because the paper is too thin, how does that affect the printing quality?
I don't know. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. I just can't give my best guess.
Okay, so Zita is saying that the printing quality basically is the quality of the print. Wells, I need you...
Mommy, we're not gonna talk about this all day.
Eyes on me. The printing quality is the quality of the print, which means how did the print come out? Are you seeing the letters properly? Is the colors meshing together? Does it look good? Can you read the letters? That's the quality.
Hippopotamus.
That's the quality, Wells. So it's not just about printing something. You have to think about what is the quality of the print that will come out. Why are we talking about this? We're saying that if you want to buy something, even though you're looking for a cheaper option, or if you want to use a service, even though you're looking for a cheaper option, you also should be looking for quality of the option. Say for instance, you want to go buy food, right? One place they sell a burger for $5, the other place they sell a burger for $2. Are you gonna say, oh, I'm just gonna get the $2 burger?
No, it has to be quality.
Exactly. It has to be good and healthy burger, right? So you're going for good and healthy burger. So now when you see two places that sell good and healthy burger, and one is $4 and the other one is $5, now you can say, okay, I'll buy the $4 burger because it's the same quality as the other one that is $5, but this one is cheaper. Does that make sense? So if you were going to buy your Angry Birds toy on Amazon and one was $5 and the other one was $6, which one would you buy?
The quality one.
What would make you determine quality? What would you check for?
The healthy one.
No, I'm talking about your Angry Birds toys.
Hold on. Amazon is not a good thing because we saw a quality on a toy before, and then when we bought it, it was like less quality than the picture.
Really?
The propeller was almost already broken.
You can return it. Maybe they sent you a bad one.
We can't anymore.
But Wellz, like if you were buying a toy, I'm just giving you different scenarios on how to check quality. If you were buying a toy, like your Angry Birds toy, you're not looking for the healthy one because it's just a toy, right? It's not something you eat.
And the $5 one.
What do you think you would look out for? Like maybe the size. Maybe the $5 one is 8 inches and the $6 one is 12 inches. So now it's bigger. So now it depends on you. Do I want a bigger toy or do I want a small toy? So you look at things like that. Does that make sense? You sure? You sure it makes sense? Okay. All right. That's enough lesson for this morning.